Good evening, Tutor John with another awesome math problem. And this one is a word problem, my favorite. And so it says, if Patricia has two more dimes than nickels and they have a combined value of 95 cents, how many of each coin does she have? So let's rewrite that and say 0.05 times the number of nickels, because each nickel is worth 5 cents, and 0.10 times the number of dimes, because each dime is worth 10 cents, is equal to 95 cents. Now the problem is that's really unwieldy. All those decimals there are not so friendly. But math is awesome because it says as long as we do something to all three of these terms, we're golden, right? So this is 5 100ths, 10 100ths, and 95 100ths. So let's just multiply each one of those times 100, right? Let's just go ahead and do that. Multiply each one of these times 100. And what do we get? 5 plus 5n plus 10d is equal to 95. Awesome. Much easier to work with. And now let's do a little decoding. The number of dimes, Patricia has two more dimes than nickels. So dimes is equal to the number of nickels plus 2. Be really careful. A lot of folks would decode this, and from the very beginning they're going to have a problem because they're going to decode it that Patricia has twice as many or 2 times more dimes than nickels, and that's not what this problem says. So remember, the first step to getting math problems is correct is to read them correctly. So it says Patricia has 2 more dimes than nickels. So dimes is equal to nickels plus 2. Now all we have to do is let's rewrite. 5n, oh, I got to go up here and grab my pencil. There we go. 5n plus 10, but instead of d, we're going to substitute what we know to be true, n plus 2 closed equals 95. Awesome. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this 10. Notice it's 10 that's outside of a parentheses, so we're going to distribute it. So we're going to do one and then the other. Let's see what that gives us. 5n plus 10 times n is 10n, and 10 times 2 is plus 20 equals 95. Remember, our goal is always to get letters on one side and numbers on the other. So we have to do the opposite of 20, which is subtract 20. And if we do it to one side, we have to do it to the other, right? This is going to cancel, and we're left with 5n plus 10n. Well, that's 15n equals 95 minus 20, which is 75. We want to further break this down. 15n means 15 times n, and the opposite of multiplication is division. And whatever we do to one side, we always do to both sides. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times n is just n. And 75 divided by 15, right? We're all fractions from top to bottom. So 75 divided by 15 is 5. So if nickels is equal to 5, then dimes is equal to the number of nickels, 5, plus 2, which is 7. If that's the case, let's check our work. 5 times the number of nickels plus 10 times the number of dimes equals 95. Great. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 10 times 7 is 70 equals 95. 25 plus 70 is 95. And 95 does indeed equal 95. So we know our answer is correct, right? We have 5 nickels and 7 dimes. Have a great evening.